Hi again, traders, and welcome to live trading session, FXDD live trading session. And let's see if there is volatility in markets. We will try to search for setups. On these web addresses, you can sign up for more live educational and trading videos. And have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not true for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risk associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And now we can actually proceed to the actual market. I traded GBP dollar today and euro yen and scored profits both on GBP dollar and euro yen. At this point, we might actually see another rejection on the GBP if the market moves up. Of course, if we see the market retracing, then we might watch for a new 1, 2, 3 and trade it. Also, euro yen was also having a nice shorts below the channel line. And the only trade that I'm still running, and it's effectively a trade that I left over from days ago, is this dollar Swissy. It's still going up despite all the bearish signals from my template. So my stop loss is set at 97.38. Okay, here this is the stop loss, and if it gets there, the stop loss will be activated. Basically, I'm running these setups, but as I say, they are currently in drawdown. No matter what, the account is in excellent profits. You can always check it on myfxbook.com, and you will see how the account grows. From 10K, the maximum was close to 70. At this point, it's close to 65. So I'm risking from profits only. And this is what we have here, of course. And you can see here, okay, almost 550 percent on return on investment from 10K. I'm trying to bring it up to 100K. This will be my biggest achievement in my trading career, from 10K to 100. Even this one is the biggest, from 10K to actually 70K. The question, GBP trades had 23 or 43 pips. We had two positions on GBP dollar. The first position was 31.10. The second was 31.13. Okay, so if you combined those positions, the first position that we had was 20, the other one was 23. So basically 43 pips combined. 43 pips, because we had two positions, Eagles. We had two positions on the GBP dollar. Two shorts, 30.10 and 30.13. So it was a good one, 43 pips overall. Okay. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. Yeah, combined, of course. Now for other trades, I don't know really. This euro dollar is dropping. I expected a retracement. Now dollar Swiss is going up. But again, I will be focusing on lower time frames mostly. We'll try to enter GBP dollar again, or any new short setup that gives me a possible entry. Gold is also interesting for me. Let's see. Gold now is dropping, but we might have, if the market makes a move above this level, we might have a long setup. Currently, it's dropping because dollar is going up. Gold is dropping effectively. But yeah, I mean, this is how we trade. We need to wait, guys, definitely. Okay, so we need to wait and see what markets will give us. At this point, gold is retracing, so we need to wait for a confirmation. GBP dollar dropping, dollar Swissy up, but eventually we might have a trade on GBP yen later during the day. I'm watching for GBP crosses. Most interesting for me here. If the market drops on GBP Swissy below this level here, This is 96.82. We are going down. So I'm watching GBP Swissy potential short. And GBP Australian dollar now dropping, but we might have a long if the market goes above the channel. Still GBP Swissy looks good to me, 26.28. I will mark the level here. And if the market drops, we might have an entry. 1, 2, 3. I want to see a drop. Maybe. I'm not saying. This was the good setup, the best setup on GBP Swissy. 1, 2, 3. And the move down. Okay. Let's see other GBP crosses. GBP CAD. Wow, what a drop. This is also good market. But we missed this short. This was a good one. GBP New Zealand. Yeah, it's contained within the range. Okay, so nothing else besides, yeah, GBP Swissy looking good. Swiss yen also made a short there. Euro Audi, no longs. Euro CAD dropping. Australian dollar CAD ranging. Australian dollar yen might have a short if we see 1, 2, 3. So what we want to see is a move up, then 1, 2, 3 to the lower side. And we might have a short trade. At this point, we don't see any new setup. So I don't see any new setup. Although we might be seeing Australian dollar or yen later in the day. So basically, nothing new. But GBP dollar is short on rally. So again, 1, 2, 3 to the upside. And we will see a potential short. GBP Swissy below 26.28, potential short. I'm still holding dollar Swissy trade. GBP Australian dollar. It's dropping, but it's more bullish than other GBP markets. So if GBP dollar goes up, GBP Australian dollar will also go up. Because Australian dollar is weaker than dollar. Nenad, the question from Ali. Nenad, GBP dollar tested uptrend line. Maybe upside now. I don't know. I will still be shorting GBP dollar until Thursday. Below 30.50 is bearish, above 30.50 is bullish. I'm not sure about longs. I don't make counter trend trades, only trend trades. So I'm waiting for a trend setup, not counter trend. Trend setup on my platform is a new short. 4 hour is below the channel. 1 hour is below the channel, so 15 minutes. I want to see upside move, but below the channel, and then 1, 2, 3. And then I will short the GBP dollar, not long. I'm not going long on GBP dollar. Remember, below 30.50, bias is to the downside, above 30.50 to the upside. Maybe dollar Swissy will drop. And if it drops, maybe I won't be stopped out. But yeah, it went a little bit too much to the upside. Okay, we are waiting. So basically, guys, this is it. If you have anything to ask, go ahead and ask me. Potential long also on oil. But for this, I need to see across of my moving averages. So there might be a potential long on oil with stops below. I will mark this, and if I see a trade, I might open it. So if the market goes up and I see a green dot, I will go long. It already hit monthly level 5. So oil might have a retracement trade to the upside. And last one is euro dollar. It's at support. If the market closes above weekly L3 0998, we should see up move towards 110.50. So maybe 10.50 will be the next level if the market stays above 0998. If it drops, then bulls are done on the euro dollar. So guys, this would be it. I hope that you enjoyed. Nothing new, but these are my trading ideas. Short on rallies, GBP dollar, potential long on oil, and potential long on gold. Watch for that. And until we see a new setup, guys, enjoy the markets as well. I will be here with you soon. Cheers. And as always, trade safe.